Hi, my name is Chris. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing Leetcode problem number 35, search insert position. This is an easy one, and it was very easy, I agree. Alright, so given a sorted array of distinct integers and a target value, return the index if the target is found. If not, return the index where it would be if it were inserted in order. Okay, so we have these three different tests here. Here's our array nums. There's our target 5. So we see 5 is at index 2, 0, 1, 2. So we just return 2. Here our target is 2. There is no 2. But we return 1 because it would go between 1 and 3, which means this would be index 0, and then 2 would be index 1. So we get an output of 1. Then finally here our target is 7. There is no 7. And the last number of the array is less than 7. It's 6. So we just return 4 because 0, 1, 2, 3, the next index would be 4. So we can just use nums.length for that. Okay, let's move over to CodePen. I like to do all my algorithms there so I can see my code working as I go. So first thing we're going to do is check 3. So what we're going to do is we're just going to do a for loop. I'm going to say for let I equal 0 if I is less than nums.length. We increment I plus plus. Now if we console.log nums I, you should see each individual number. We do. For loop is working. Good. So all we need to do here is we just need to say if nums at I equals target. So if at nums at I equals 3, which it will in the first index, we're going to return I. So now we should see 2 in the or 1 in the console, right? Cool, because 3 is 1. If we were to put 5 in there, we should see 2. Cool. All right, and then we're going to also say else if, because this list is sorted, right? So let's say we have 2 here, right? We know that as soon as we get to a number that's bigger than 2 or bigger than our target, we can just return that index, right? So we're going to go, it would be index 0, index 1. 3 is bigger than 2, so we return index at I. And you know what? I don't even know why I did this, because that's going to have the same result. So all we need to do here is just say and, or sorry, not and, or nums I is greater than target. Now we return I, so we get 1 again. Good. Then the final situation we need to account for is if you have a target that is larger than any of the numbers in the array, right? So like with that 7. So I'm going to change this to 7. So in order to do that, all we need to do, like I said earlier, is return nums.length. Beautiful, 4, right? Because there's 4 elements in this array, but indexes start at 0, so the index will be 0, 1, 2, 3, right? And then 7 would come after that, and it would be at index 4. Cool. So that was a very simple algorithm. Let's copy this, and let's go ahead and go back to Leetcode. Paste it in there. Let's format it so it looks pretty. And then we're going to run our code. Great. Now we're going to submit our code. There we go. Fantastic. And 0 milliseconds beats 100%. I'm not patting myself in the back for that. That was an extremely easy one. So thank you for watching this video. If you want to see more just like this, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy your day.